Ethan, when was the last time you went to the dentist?
Honestly, I cannot remember.
Why not?
Because I avoid it as long as possible.
Because of the pain?
No, because I never know what to say in English.
Really? The dentist makes you nervous because of English?
I sit in that chair, the dentist asks me something.
And?
My mouth is wide open, tools inside, and I have to answer somehow.
That is genuinely one of the most stressful situations in English.
I just make sounds. Ah, ugh.
And hope the dentist understands.
Exactly. Not ideal when someone is working on your teeth.
Today, we fix that completely. Welcome to Daily English Learning. I am Sophia.
And I am Ethan with a very overdue dentist appointment after this episode.
We are covering real-life English at a dentist. Every situation, every phrase.
Let us get started right now.
First, booking a dentist appointment.
This is where it all begins. Usually a phone call or front desk conversation.
You call the clinic and say, "Good morning, I would like to book an appointment, please."
The receptionist will ask, is this for a routine checkup or do you have a specific concern?
Say, "I would like a routine checkup and cleaning, please."
Or I have been having some tooth pain and I need to see the dentist urgently.
Or, "I think I may have a cavity. I would like to get it checked as soon as possible."
Always be specific about why you are coming. It helps them plan your appointment.
They will then ask, "Are you an existing patient or a new patient?"
Say, I am a new patient. This is my first visit to your clinic.
Or, "I am an existing patient. My name is Sofia Ahmed."
Simple and clear. The appointment is booked. You are on your way.
And the hard part, actually going.
Yes, the hardest part, honestly.
Now you arrive at the clinic. You check in at the front desk.
Say, good morning. I have an appointment at 11 o'clock.
My name is Sofia Ahmed.
The receptionist will ask you to fill in a patient form.
This form asks about your medical history and any allergies.
If you need help with the form, say, excuse me, I'm not sure about this section.
Could you help me understand what is being asked here, please?
Never guess on a medical form. Always ask if something is unclear.
The form might ask, "Do you have any allergies to medication?"
Write, yes, I am allergic to penicillin, or no known allergies.
It might ask, "Are you currently taking any medication?"
Write the name of your medication clearly. Do not leave it blank.
This information helps the dentist treat you safely always.
Such important information that many people just skip over.
Never skip it, Ethan. It protects you completely.
Now you are in the dentist's chair, the moment of truth.
The dentist will say, "So what brings you in today?"
Say, I have been having pain in my upper left molar for about a week.
Molar, that's the big flat tooth at the back of your mouth.
Other teeth you need to know, incisor, the sharp front teeth.
Canine, the pointed teeth on the sides.
Premolar, the teeth between your canines and molars.
Wisdom tooth, the last tooth that grows at the very back.
Knowing these words helps you describe exactly where the problem is.
Instead of just pointing and saying, "This one hurts."
You can say, I have pain in my lower right wisdom tooth area.
So much more specific, so much more helpful for the dentist.
Okay, I am learning so many new words today.
That's exactly why we're here, Ethan. Now let's talk about describing your dental pain.
Because pain at the dentist is not just pain, it comes in many forms.
The dentist will ask, "Can you describe the pain for me?"
Say, it's a sharp shooting pain when I bite down on anything hard.
Or it's a constant dull ache that never really goes away completely.
Or I feel a sensitivity when I eat or drink anything cold or hot.
Sensitivity, very common dental complaint, very important word.
Or my gum is swollen and it hurts when I touch it.
Or I have a throbbing pain that started 2 days ago suddenly.
The dentist might also ask, is the pain constant or does it come and go?
Say, "It's constant. It never really stops completely."
Or it comes and goes, mostly when I eat or drink something.
The more specific you are, the faster the dentist finds the problem.
And faster diagnosis means faster treatment and faster relief.
Which is what everyone in that chair wants more than anything. Now let's do a full, real-life dental conversation together.
Yes, I will be the dentist, you be the nervous patient.
I don't even need to act. I'm genuinely nervous in dental chairs.
Let's begin. Good morning, Sophia. Please have a seat and make yourself comfortable.
Good morning, doctor. Thank you.
So what brings you in today? Are you here for a routine checkup?
Not exactly. I've been having some pain in my upper left area for about 5 days.
I see. Can you point to the area for me?
It's here, my upper left molar. It hurts when I bite down on food.
Is the pain sharp or more of a dull ache?
It's sharp, especially when I eat anything crunchy or hard.
Any sensitivity to hot or cold drinks or food?
Yes, actually. Exactly. Cold water makes it very painful immediately.
How long has this sensitivity been going on?
About a week, maybe a little longer now that I think about it.
All right, let me take a look. Open wide for me, please.
Of course.
I can see some decay on that molar. It looks like a cavity is formed.
Oh no, is it serious?
It's moderate. We caught it at a good time. A filling should solve it completely.
That's a relief. Will the filling hurt?
We'll use a local anesthetic so you won't feel any pain during the procedure.
How long will the procedure take, approximately?
About 30 to 45 minutes for this size of a cavity.
And how long before I can eat normally again after?
Avoid hard foods for about 2 hours after the filling sets completely.
Understood. Should I avoid anything specific after the procedure?
No extremely hot or cold food for 24 hours. Other than that, you are fine.
Thank you, doctor. One more question. Do I need a follow-up appointment?
Yes, come back in 6 months for your routine checkup and cleaning.
I will book that on my way out. Thank you so much for explaining everything.
Of course, you asked great questions today. It makes my job much easier.
And scene. Did you notice everything she did there?
She described the location of her pain using the correct tooth name.
She described the type of pain, sharp, and what triggered it.
She mentioned the cold sensitivity, which gave the dentist a big clue.
She asked about pain during the procedure, very important question.
She asked about recovery time and food restrictions after.
And she booked the follow-up before leaving, responsible and prepared always.
Now, what about understanding the treatment the dentist recommends?
Sometimes the dentist recommends something and you're not sure what it means.
Never just nod and agree to a treatment you don't understand.
If you don't understand, say, "I'm sorry, could you explain that in simpler terms?"
Or what exactly does that procedure involve?
Or how long will the recovery take after this treatment?
Or are there any alternative treatments available for this problem?
And if the cost surprises you, say, "Could you give me a breakdown of the costs?"
Or is this treatment covered by dental insurance?
You have every right to understand and question your treatment always.
Your mouth, your money, your right to know everything, completely.
Exactly. Never feel embarrassed to ask questions at the dentist.
Now, what about children at the dentist?
Many parents take their children and need to explain the child's problem.
Say, "Good morning, this is my son Aryan. He's 7 years old.
He has been complaining about pain in his front teeth for 3 days.
He also has a loose tooth that seems to be causing some discomfort."
The dentist might ask, is he eating normally or avoiding certain foods?
Say, "He's been avoiding hard food. He only wants soft things to eat."
Or he woke up crying twice last night because of the pain.
Giving these details helps the dentist understand the severity immediately.
Always describe the child's behavior and symptoms, not just the tooth problem.
Because children can't always explain their pain clearly themselves.
That's where the parent's English becomes so important for the child.
Such a powerful point. Your English helps your child get better treatment. Let us cover a few more quick phrases before we close today.
When you're in the chair and nervous, "Doctor, please warn me before you start."
When something hurts, please stop. That's quite painful right there.
When you need a break, "Could I have a moment, please? I need to swallow."
When asking about aftercare, what should I do if the pain continues after?
When asking about medication, "Do I need to take any painkillers after this?"
When rescheduling, could I move my appointment to next week, please?
6 phrases, every dental situation completely covered.
And most importantly, you can actually say them with your mouth open.
Short phrases work best in a dental chair. Always remember that.
Let's do our final recap of everything we covered today.
First, always book appointments with a specific reason clearly stated.
Second, never leave any section of a patient form blank or guessed.
Third, learn the correct names for your teeth: molar, incisor, canine, wisdom.
Fourth, describe your pain type: sharp, dull, throbbing, sensitive.
Fifth, always ask about pain during treatment and recovery time after.
Sixth, never agree to a treatment you don't fully understand first.
Seventh, for children, describe behavior and symptoms in detail always.
And eighth, use short phrases in the chair. They are easiest to say.
These 8 things will make every dental visit completely stress-free.
I am booking my appointment right after this episode, I promise.
Finally, Ethan, your teeth will thank you.
And my dentist will finally understand what I'm trying to say.
Listeners, your dental health matters so much.
And now you have every word you need to protect it confidently.
Don't avoid the dentist because of English anymore.
You know what to say, you know how to say it. Go book that appointment.
Drop the word dentist in the comments right now.
And share this with someone who has been avoiding the dentist for too long.
That's all for today's episode of Daily English Learning.
Thank you so much for spending this time learning with us today.
See you in the next episode. Keep learning and keep growing always.
Goodbye, everyone, and please go book that dentist appointment today.